कपूर मैम नमस्ते। मैम हम केंद्र विद्यालय सांबा के 2002 बैच के स्टूडेंट्स को जब ये पता चला कि आप आने वाले 30 जून को रिटायर होने वाले हैं, तो हम सब ने मिलकर आपके लिए एक कविता तैयार करी है और हम जूम कॉल पे इकट्ठे होकर वो कविता आपके लिए पढ़ेंगे। मैं ये आशा करता हूँ कि ये कविता आपको पसंद आएगी। प्रतिमा प्लीज़ आप स्टार्ट कीजिए।
मेरी इंग्लिश की एक टीचर थी, वो फुल हैप्पीनेस की सीकर थी। बड़ी काली बिंदी और गुलाबी साड़ी में जैसे वो स्वीटनेस की डीलर थी। मेरी इंग्लिश की एक टीचर थी।
दबाकर बगल में किताबों का खजाना, क्लास में वो मेरी ज्ञान की प्रीचर थी। आंसू गिरे घर बच्चे का तो मम्मी सी वो हीलर थी। मेरी इंग्लिश की एक टीचर थी, फुल हैप्पीनेस की सीकर थी।
पढ़ाती थी कि जादू करती थी, बोरियत मैथ की उड़न छू करती थी। कहानी सुनाकर पोम्स को गाकर टेंशन हमारी काबू करती थी। मेरी इंग्लिश की एक टीचर थी, फुल हैप्पीनेस की सीकर थी।
कितने तुमने पौधे सींचे, क्या क्या तुमने वृक्ष बनाए। जब जब तुम किताब थामती, जाने क्या क्या भविष्य बनाए। मेरी इंग्लिश की एक टीचर थी, फुल हैप्पीनेस की सीकर थी।
दैट थॉट्स की क्लीनर थी, कॉन्फिडेंस की फीडर थी, नॉलेज की वो रीपर थी। मेरी इंग्लिश की एक टीचर थी, फुल हैप्पीनेस की वीवर थी।
गलती पे जो उंगली थामती, हर बच्चे की स्ट्रेंथ जानती। गलती पे जो उंगली थामती, हर बच्चे की स्ट्रेंथ जानती। एक चलती फिरती गॉडेस ही थी, सबको अपना सा मानती। मेरी इंग्लिश की एक टीचर थी, मेरी इंग्लिश की एक टीचर थी।
पनिशमेंट उनका ना ये स्टाइल था, चैन नहीं वो प्यार बरसाती। हमसे जब गलती हो जाती, काम नहीं वो हाथ थामती। मेरी इंग्लिश की एक टीचर थी, फुल हैप्पीनेस की सीकर थी।
उलझे सवालों को झट हल करती, उलझे सवालों को झट हल करती। सपनों की वो वीवर थी। मेरी इंग्लिश की एक टीचर थी, फुल हैप्पीनेस की सीकर थी।
मेरी ख्वाहिशों की कीपर थी, हम बच्चों की लीडर थी। मुझे हमेशा गर्व रहेगा, मिसेस कपूर मेरी इंग्लिश की टीचर थी। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी रिटायरमेंट मैम।
मैम
हैप्पी सुपरएनुएशन मैम।
हैप्पी सुपरएनुएशन मैम।
बेस्ट ऑफ लक मैम फॉर योर
वेरी हैप्पी रिटायरमेंट मैम।
बेस्ट ऑफ लक यू मैम फॉर योर सेकंड इनिंग।
Ma'am, for all your love and blessings, we are very blessed to be your student, ma'am. All the very best for your new innings. Happy retirement, ma'am. Much love.
Ma'am, we are blessed to be your students, and I'm sure thousands of other students would be. Being a teacher myself, I know how much efforts it takes to connect with students. Hats off to you, ma'am. You are an inspiration. Wish you a very happy life ahead. All the best, ma'am. Happy retirement.
Wish you a very happy retirement, ma'am. May God always keep you healthy and happy. मैम, मैं ये ईश्वर से आशा करता हूँ कि जिस प्रकार आज मैं आपके रिटायरमेंट में शामिल हो पाया हूँ, आप भी मेरे रिटायरमेंट में शामिल होकर मुझे ब्लेस करें। हैप्पी रिटायरमेंट मैम। थैंक
Hi
यू।
Kapoor ma'am. It's sad to hear about your retirement, but at the same time I feel myself to be fortunate enough to have a great teacher like you with an awesome personality. No doubt you are my best teacher in school and I will always miss you as my guide.
Thanks for being an important part of my education. We are so grateful to have you as our teacher. Many congratulations on your retirement. Enjoy.
हेलो पूनम मैम, आप बहुत अच्छे क्लास टीचर, बहुत अच्छे टीचर रहे हो। आपको रिटायरमेंट की शुभकामनाएं।
हेलो पूनम मैम, विश यू वेरी हैप्पी रिटायरमेंट लाइफ। Thank you so much for your support in my life. Thank you so much.
Congratulations ma'am for the new journey of your life. You are the best teacher of our entire career. We never saw a teacher like you.
Hello ma'am, thank you so much for being such a wonderful teacher and a mentor. All the very best for the second innings of your life. Congratulations.
We will not take our classes anymore, but we will remember you always, ma'am. Your contribution to our life is priceless. Happy retirement, ma'am. Love you.
Hello, ma'am. We were really blessed to have a wonderful teacher like you. You made a real difference in the lives of the students you taught, and I'm one of them. Thank you for all the support and guidance you gave me and was always ready to help me no matter how busy you were. I appreciate your contribution to what and where I am today. Congratulations and many, many warm wishes for a happy retirement. Take care.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for playing such an important role in our life and giving us a synonym for an ideal teacher as Mrs. Poonam Kapoor. And no one wants to say goodbye to a teacher like you, but still, ma'am, a very happy retirement.
I hope, Nidhi, I hope you remember us. Like, आपने हमें 8th और 9th क्लास में पढ़ाया था, and like you were just not teacher to us.
You're a very very special person. आपने हमें बताया कि पढ़ाई के साथ साथ पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट भी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Exactly. और मतलब हम लोग मतलब अपनी पर्सनालिटी पे भी इतना ज़्यादा काम कर पाए अपार्ट फ्रॉम स्टडीज, एंड वी मिस्ड यू अ लॉट लाइक इस पीरियड में, लाइक and we enjoyed being with you in school. And
yes,
absolutely it was fun being with you. The way you teach us in the class, it was always dramatic, and like
yes,
whenever we used to imagine things, not only study. And it's just that you gave us lot.
The way you used to call us one by one and to recite a poem or anything to inculcate the confidence we need in our life.
Yeah, like we used to be always in the we used to be there on the stage and always like
doing some stuff,
and like you also gave us a lot of opportunities. Like one of them was like meeting
Shah Rukh, Aamir Khan.
So it's just that कि we loved it and we were like कि यार किसी को नहीं बताएंगे. So we always felt special with you. So we'll miss you,
and we really miss you a lot right now.
Even like we feel like we can be back to school, yes, at any point of time. So we'll just wish that your post-retirement period will be more enjoyable to you.
And we congratulate you for your retirement and for your overall journey as a teacher. Thank you for teaching us. And we love you.
Love you too, ma'am. Miss you. Bye.
Hi, Poonam Kapoor, ma'am. Though Nidhi being your favorite student, I think you didn't forget us. And on this occasion of your retirement, so I want to congratulate you for all those amazing years, for all those efforts you have put in for the students like me and Nidhi and others. So thank you so much. I wish you an amazing retirement journey ahead with your granddaughter. And now I think you will be free, much more free than you were before, to have a little bit time for us so that we can plan a small reunion and we get to see you again. You were our favorite teacher. You were a class teacher for 2 years. It was an amazing journey with you and I won't personally forget it in my entire life. So thank you so much. And another thing, that I loved your sarees, and though that collection was amazing, so I do follow some advice from those collections like now. So thank you so much and have a great life ahead. Love you, Poonam Kapoor, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you? So finally you're going into your next phase of your life, and I wish you a very happy retirement life. I hope you travel a lot, you spend more time with your family, your kids, your grandkids, and enjoy a lot. And because now you have worked so hard all these years to help your students achieve their goals, including me, and look where I am right now. So all thanks to you. And so now you deserve to take a little break and do something for yourself and enjoy a lot. So again, I wish you a very happy retirement life. I wish you the best. I hope you come and visit me soon, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.